customer brought their vehicle in, reporting that the check engine light was on. I connected a scan tool to diagnose the issue and found two codes, P0131's, oxygen sensor circuit low voltage, bank 1 sensor 1, and P0135, oxygen sensor heater circuit, bank 1 sensor 1. These codes pointed to a problem with the upstream oxygen sensor, B1S1, which plays a critical role in monitoring the air-fuel mixture and ensuring optimal engine performance. To investigate further, I used the scan tool to observe live data. I started the engine, allowed it to reach normal operating temperature, and increased the engine speed to 2000 RPM. The live data showed that the oxygen sensor signal was fixed and did not change state as it should. To confirm, I snapped the throttle to create rapid changes in the air-fuel mixture, but the sensor was slow to respond, further confirming an issue with its performance. Next, I performed a visual inspection of the fuses and relays to rule out electrical problems, but found no obvious concerns. I then inspected the wiring harness for the oxygen sensor, B1S1, to check for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections, but everything appeared intact. I disconnected the oxygen sensor harness connector and inspected the terminals for any signs of corrosion or wear, but they were clean and secure. With the key on, I used a multimeter to test for battery voltage and ground at the oxygen sensor connector. Both were present, confirming that the sensor was receiving the correct electrical inputs. To further verify the issue, I measured the resistance of the sensor's heater element. The resistance was above the specified range, indicating that the heater element within the sensor was faulty and not functioning properly. Based on these test results, it was clear that the upstream oxygen sensor, B1S1, was defective. I replaced it with a new sensor that met the manufacturer's specifications. After completing the replacement, I cleared the fault codes and performed a road test to ensure the repair was successful. The vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no new fault codes appeared. The upstream oxygen sensor is essential for maintaining proper engine operation, fuel efficiency, and emissions control. A faulty sensor can result in poor fuel economy, increased emissions, and suboptimal engine performance. Replacing the defective sensor restored the vehicle to its proper working condition and resolved the customer's concerns.